Assalamu alaikum. This is Tahmina, the Light for School English version. Hello, everybody. A very good morning to you. Okay, today I'm gonna take your mathematics class, and today is 6th September 2021. You're in class 2, right? Okay, today's our topic is second semester syllabus review. Okay, we already completed our syllabus. You know that in previous classes, and now I start review class. Okay, our first review class is today, and our topic is the hub portion of your syllabus. And next hub portion you can see in the next class. If there's some problem, you have to contact with me. And our today's topic is write the numbers 201 to 300. Write the numbers in words 101 to 300. Identify word and even numbers 101 to 300. Roman number 1 to 20, 30, and 40. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order, which is you have to start from 201 to 300. What problems from your board book? You can see the page number here. And okay, let's start our class. Our first topic is write the numbers 201 to 300. In your syllabus, you can see that 101 to 300, but in your short syllabus, you can see we are deducted 101 to 200 from your syllabus. Okay, you don't you don't need to read it or write it. Here you can say 101 to 300. If you face some problem, take help from here. I already completed this topic in your class. And maybe I gonna give you the question. Please write from 201 to 252, 201 to 210. Here, this is some examples of your question paper. You may have to write 201 to 210 or 201 to 214. For that reason, you have to practice it more and more. 201 to 300. It's really easy topic for you. I know that. Okay, next topic. Write the numbers in words 101 to 150. Is the first portion of this topic. Here you can see the slide. Here I will give you the one or five numbers, and you have to write in words. Like as I give you, write the numbers in words 105. You have to write 105. If I give you 124, you have to write it 124. Okay, you have to understand the question. Write the numbers in words. If I give that question, you have to write in words, not number. Please read the question paper concerningly and properly. Okay. I know you can easily complete this because it's really easy for you. And here you can see write the numbers 151 to 200. You have to practice more and more in your house and at your home. Here is some solution or some helping elements for you. If you face some problem, then you take a look from this slide. Okay. Our next topic of second semester syllabus is list the odd number and even number. Odd number. What is odd number? Odd number is a series which, or what number? Sorry, odd number is such kind of number which number we can't divide it into two equal part. We cannot divide it to equal part. So here is a technique of how you know how you can find the odd number from a series. You have to look this. If you can find this digit from the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, if you can easily find the odd number from this from those series. You have to know that you have to know that 1, 3, 5, 7, and if you can this digit at the last digit of any number, that number will be the odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These five number you have to remember for finding the odd number from the first number. Okay. Here you can see 13579, the last digit 13579. If you can any number and you see the last digit from this 5 digit, so you can easily say that this is the odd number. You can look 13579, 13579, 13579. Every number you can see 579, 13579. So I request you to if you don't understand that, you have to remember that if you see 13579 as the last digit of a number, that is a odd number. Okay, next 201 to 300. Last, even number. Even numbers, which we can easily divide it in two equal part. Two equal part. This is called even numbers. In your syllabus, you can see that you have to practice even numbers from 101 to 300, and here is the list. You can take help from here, and you have to remember that if you see the last digit of a number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. From this 5 number, you can see any one from a number. You can easily say that this is the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay. So what is the odd number? If you find, we can easily those number. We can't easily divide those number in two pairs, equally two pairs. And even number, you can easily divide those number or this number equal two pairs. Okay. And the technique is if you look, the last digit is 13579. You can easily say that this is odd number. And if you find the last digit is 24680, anyone from here, this is the even numbers. Okay. So here is a 201 to 300 slide. And next topic is Roman number. It's a really interesting topic for you, because when I take your Roman numbers class, you're really enjoying that. Okay, here you can look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And this is 40 and this is 30. Okay. Someone write in your classwork copy. 40 means 4x, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 40 means XL, XL. There are 5 symbols you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1 is 50, D. 5, 1 is D, capital D. So if you wanted to Roman number, know the Roman number correctly or completely, you have to do 5 sign. 1, 2. This is number 1 sign. This is number 2 sign. This is number 3 sign. This is number 4 sign, and 5 on is D, capital D. Okay. You can see the question. You will see. I'll give you. Please write the Roman numbers from 1 to 10. Then you have to write 1 to 10. The question pattern already you seen in your MT exam. Okay. Next slide. Ascending order. Which that? What is that? Ascending order is a series where you can see the number arranged from small to big. Small to big. Like I give you 1 to 10 numbers, 11 numbers, 1 to 10, and you have to arrange it ascending order. So you have to start it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is called ascending order. Many students take a mistake that what is ascending and descending. You can say A is the first alphabet of the English. So you have to remember the A is small, and ascending means small to big, and descending D is the bigger than A, because this is the number 4 alphabet in English alphabet. Okay, So D means big to small, big to small. Ascending means small to big. Okay, so here you can see the question pattern. Answer following numbers by ascending order. This is the question pattern you will notice in your examination. I give some numbers and you have to arrange it from small to big. So in this list, the small number is 203. It's the least number from this list. So we write here first 203. And last number is 250. Yes, we arrange it at last this number. Okay. So ascending means small to big, small to big. Is there another question pattern? You can see 240. This is the least number of this series. So here you can see that the first digit is 240 and the last or big digit is here is 300. So you can see the last digit. You have to arrange this number, arrange those number or a given number from small to big. Okay. So go to the next slide, which is descending order. Descending order means D. D is the fourth alphabet in English alphabets. Okay. So this is the big or big one, last one or bigger one. Okay. So descending means big to small, big to small. Here you can see the question button. I give you some numbers and I tell you that arrange following numbers by descending order. You have to arrange it from big to small, big to small. Here is the big number or last number is 247. So here you can see the first number is 247 and last number is 207. So I put it here 207. So what is the descending order? Descending order means big to small. And what is ascending order? This is too small to big. Okay, you have to remember it and practice more and more for better in exam. Okay, next slide is word problem. This is from your board book, which is elementary maths for class 2. And this is the solution. I've already taken many classes about this topic, and now I'm gonna review it. Okay, you have to take a look from page 144. What is the problem? And then you can see the solution. I believe that you already understand this math easily. Okay, so everybody go to the page number 44 and read the question first. Everybody, at first you have to read the question first. Okay, number 1, Mina has been reading a book by 2 pages a day. How many pages will she read in 6 days? If Mina can read 2 pages in 1 day, how many pages can she read in 6 days? Here is a technique of multiplication. How you can understand this? This is multiplication or division. You have to look that there give one small thing, small digit, and you have to find the big digit. You have to find the big digit. At that situation, you have to multiply that. Okay, and what will be you multiplied? Okay. In question, you can see that what you have to find how many pages will she read in 6 days, how many pages. So if you wanted to find the page number, you have to place this page number at your right hand, which you wanted to find and which you wanted to search in your maths. You had this portion you have to place in right place, place in right hand, on your right hand. Got it? Okay. So in one day, Mina, and which portion already tell in your maths, this portion you have to place in left hand. Which portion given in the math you have to place this left portion, and which portion you wanted to find, this portion you have to place in right hand. Okay, in one day Mina reads 2 pages, so in 6 days Mina will read 2 into 6, 12 pages for solve this problem, you have to know the times table very, very, very clearly. And as like as our uh, childhood rhymes, Hatimatin team, Taramate Paratin, you can easily recite and you can't forget it. You don't forget it. Act like that. You have to read and memorize the times table. Okay, for easily solve this problem. Number two, a pack of biscuit costs 2 taka. One pack cost 2 taka. Reja bought 7 packs of this biscuit. Reja bought 7 packs. So here you can see their give one biscuit cost, one packet cost 2 taka, and Reja bought 7 packets of this biscuit. So our question is, how many taka would it cost? How many taka would it cost? It's really easy. You have to just multiply it. One pack of biscuit is 2 taka, and so 7 pack of biscuits cost 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 to 14. Number two, if he added 3 more packets of biscuit, how many taka would it cost? He already bought 7 packets, and I wanted to add 3 packets. So total pack is 10 packs. And how many cost? If one packet costs 2 taka, how many cost is 10 packets? Is 20. You obviously do multiplication here. Number 4, page number 47. Word problem. Please go to the page number 47 and take a look. What's the problem? Number 1, there are 3 wheels of a rickshaw. How many wheels would be for 5 rickshaws? There are 3 wheels. 3 wheels in one rickshaw. How many wheels are there in 5 rickshaws? So we wanted to find out the number of wheels. So we place number of wheels at right hand, and question already tell us the rickshaw number. So we placed it at left hand. Okay. In one rickshaw, there are 3 wheels. So in 5 rickshaws, there are 5 into 3 wheels is equal to 15 wheels. Okay. Number 2, 3 guavas can arrange on a plate. How many guavas need to arrange 4 plates? Already you can see the plates. Number of plates are given, and you have to find the guavas number. So we place the guavas numbers at right hand, and we place the place number at left hand, right hand. Okay, to arrange one plate, we need 3 guavas. So that to arrange 4 plates, we will need 4 into 3 is equal to 12 guavas. It's really easy. You have to conscious more when you understand it or you write it. You at first you have to you read the question concerned. Okay, because someone said that every solution you can find in the question, you need one thing, that is read it properly and carefully. You can easily find a solution from this problem. Okay. Next page, page 55. Okay, in your syllabus, you can see the 51 and 54. We deduct it from your syllabus. You don't need to practice it. So directly go to the page number 55. Number 1, 9 rotis can be put in each bucket. How many rotis can be put in 4 buckets? Okay, 9 rotis. So you have to place the number of rotis. Sorry, 9 rotis can be put in each bucket. One bucket, we can put 9 rotis. How many rotis can be put in 4 buckets? How many rotis? We have to find the number of rotis. So we place the number of rotis in the right side, and other person will place it in the on left side. Okay, so in one bucket there are 9 rotis, and in 4 bucket there are 4 into 9 is equal to 36 rotis. Number 2, Rafik has been reading a book by 9 pages a day. Rafik has been reading by one day. In one day, Rafik can read 9 pages. How many pages will he read in 7 days? How many pages. We have to find the page number. For that reason, we place the page number left hand. Okay, understand? Hope so. So in one day, Rafiq reads 9 pages. In 7 days, Rafiq will read 7, 9, 63 pages. Okay, and go to the page number 61. Number 2. Raju's father works 12 hours a day. Raju's father works 12 hours a day. Okay, since I give you the lesson about word problem, so I want to solve the word problem, but you have to do the calculation one number. You have to solve the one question number one as nothing is just multiply it. Just multiply it. Okay, like as 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9. It's really easy. You have to just multiply it, nothing else. Okay, number 2. Raju's father works 12 hours a day. In one day, Raju's father works 12 hours. If he works 3 days, then how many hours will he work? So we have to find the how many hours. Okay, so the we place the hours in the right hand. Here is in one day he works 12 hours because you have to find the hours. Okay, so in 3 days he will work 3 into 12 or 12 into 3 equal to 36 hours. Okay, 3 12s are 36. Next, Rohim wants to buy 3 copies of a book, one fairy tale, whose price is 30 taka each. So one book costs 30 taka. How many taka will he pay? Okay, one book costs 30 taka and he bought 3 copies. So how much taka will he pay? So here you can here we try to find the amount of taka. So the taka is placed at the right hand. 1 copy is 30 taka. So 3 copy will be 3 into 30 taka is equal to 90 taka. Okay. 300, 3 3s are 9. It's really easy multiplication. So go to number page 66. Yeah, choose what problem you can see. Number 1, how many pages will each child get if 48 papers are divided by 8 children equally? Okay, this is called division. This is called division. How many papers will each child get? In previous what problem we see that each number is given and we find 3 4 numbers. Okay, I can say one copy is given and we have to find 3 copies, and here 1 is given and you have to find 3 days. Okay, here I go. One thing given, a small number is given and you have to find many numbers, and here many numbers is given, you have to find par number or number small one. Okay, so when you see the given number is bigger than finding number or searching number, that gonna be division problem. You have to divide that. Okay, if you can see the page number 66, word problem 1. How many papers will each children get? Each means 1. Each means 1. One children get if 48 papers are divided by 8 children equally. Here you easily see the divided by 8 children. Here this problem already says the solution divided. You have to divide it. So here is the equation. 8 children get 48 papers. So one child gets 48 divided by 8 papers. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. You can rough here in your exam paper or classwork copy. I have to write rough, or you have to just give a straight line and rough there. Okay. So if you see the problem, said you that big number, big digit, and you have to find small digit. At that time, you have to divide it. Okay. So go to number 2. Her father has 63 taka. He wants to give his money equally to his family of 7%. Equally. Equally means divide. Okay. To his family of 7%, how much taka will each person get? Each person. Here you can see each means 1. Here give a 7. Here give big digit. A father has 63 taka. He wants to give his money equally to his family of 7%. 7%, for 7%, he keep 63 taka. So per person will get, per person means 1 person. So 7% gets 63 taka. So 1 person gets 63 divided by 7. When you say the equally, the or say the divided, you easily can got it that this is the division problem. The main technique is, if you see the problem, say the big number, big amount, or big things, you have to find the small one par or one person, each person. At that time, you have to divide it, and you have to division problem. You you can easily understand this is a division problem. You have to divide uh, for solve this problem. Page number 69, and last from last is the second one. Page number 69. What is the problem? We distributed 32 leeches among a few children. We distributed 32 leeches among a few children. Each children get 8 leeches. How many children were there? We have to find children number. So we place children number on your right hand. Okay. 8 children gets 8 leeches get 1 child. 1 child gets 8 leeches. So that 32 leeches get 32 divided by 8 children is equal to 4. Okay. 4 is the 32. Word problem. Next word problem is our school has 45 notebooks for an hour to a student. If the school gives one student 5 notebooks, how many students will get the hour? How many students? We have wanted to find the student number. So you have to place the student number on your right hand. The school has 45 notebooks for an hour to students. So if the school gives one student 5 notebooks, one student give, you have to find the student number. So I have to place student number on your right hand. So 5 notebooks get 1 student, so that 45 notebooks get 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9 students. Okay, you have to see the question very carefully. What you have to find, what you have to tell, how many students. So student number will be placed in on your right hand. Okay. There's 2 word problem, and last page number 72. Page number 73, 4, 5 is really easy, and I can face one problem in number 6. At number 6, okay. So come to from number 3. Everybody go to the page number 72. Okay, number 3. 2 persons equally divide 8 mangoes. 2 persons equally divide 8 mangoes. How many mangoes will each person get? How many mangoes will each person? Each person means one person. So two person equally divide. Here you can see that divide. Okay. So you have to go to the uh, division process for solve this problem. So two person get 8 mangoes. So one person's get. Here you have to detect the S. This is the not correct. So one person get 8 divided by 2 mangoes is equal to 4. 2 4s are 8. You can take it off here. You can do off here. Do 8. 2 4s are 8. 0. So our answer is 4 mangoes. Number 4. 4 persons equally divide for 24 lodgings. How many lodgings will each person get? How many lodgings? So we try to find the lodgings number. So you have to place the lodgings at on your right hand. 4 persons get 24 lodgings. So one person gets 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Take a look. 4, 24, 4, 6 are 24. So our answer is each person get 6 logos. When you see the divided equally or can say the big number, big one or big number is say in the question and you have to find the small one. So at that time you have to go to the division process. Okay. Number 5, 3% equally divided 27. Take a divide. So it's obviously division process. 3% equal divide 27 taka. How many taka? You have to find the how many taka. So you have to place the taka on your right hand. How much taka will each person get? Each means 1. 3% get 27 taka. So that how 1% gets 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Here, let's take a look. 3 9s are 27. So our answer is 9 taka. Each person get 9 taka. The last word problem for your semester syllabus. 5 persons sit on one bench. How many benches will be necessary for 45 person? How many benches? So you have to find the bench number. So you have to place it on your right hand. 5 persons sit on one bench so that 45% can sit on 45 divided by 5 benches is equal to 9. 9 5s are 45. You can do rough on your left hand. Okay. This is the last word problem from your semester. If you can face any problem, you have to contact with me. You can contact with me personally or in your class, in the next class. Please practice more and more for you doing well in your examination. Math is that subject which you need to more practice for better understanding. Okay. So that's all for today. Last, I review the today's topic, which is from your second semester syllabus, and our topic is okay. Write the numbers. Write the number in marks. Identify alternate even numbers, Roman number. Write in the ascending and descending order. And last is word problem. Okay, this is the one portion of your second semester syllabus. Next portion you can see in next class. So see you in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Uh, thank you for attending my class. Hope see you in next class. Allah Hafiz.